Hi guys, it's John at Metroworks again. Just working on my 1972 ct70, rebuilding the motor just to freshen it up, to give it some more life to use as a rider actually. So today I'm going to rebuild the clutch, and obviously this was just laid on. The nut has already been taken off, but I just wanted to show where it goes. The clutch actually sits on the end of the crankshaft, and you can see here it's got splines and the gear. Well, the splines fit into here, and the gear teeth actually fit into the back of the clutch. You can tell by the witness marks on the gear. You can see on some of these gears right about there is where it kind of gets dull. So that's where it was sitting in the back of the clutch. So it sits in like that. So I haven't had this clutch apart yet before. This clutch is basically the same clutch on the ct70s and the z50s. Now I did take these 3 Phillips panhead screws out just to get it off the end of the crank when I was doing a cleaning of the cases. Take those 3 out. You take off the cover with the bearing. This actually acts as an oil spinner. This was full of engine sludge. This spins and throws the particles in the oil out towards the edges of it. So if you're doing any maintenance and you're in looking at your clutch, you should probably clean that out. This is the nut that holds the clutch onto the end of the crank. It requires a special tool to take off. Some people use a chisel, which is, you're just going to end up marring the ends of the where the tool would go in originally. And there is a pressure locking, or a pressure cupped washer here that says this side out. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me wipe it off here. Yeah, so it goes this side out. So this goes up. It almost acts as a lock washer because it's convexed. This is the locking tab to it. It's got starts on the bottom that fit in these starts here in the clutch, and these get bent over into the nut. So it provides an actual locking, mechanical locking means. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I haven't had this clutch apart yet. This is as far as I've gotten it. I'm going to pop these 4 Phillips head screws, just loosen them for the time being. Flip it over, and as you can see, there's a big snap ring that goes around here. We're going to pop that out and disassemble it and have a look at the clutch plates, probably measure them up. I'm going to order new clutch plates for this anyways, but yeah, I'll check back with you when I get this apart.